Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, confirm you are mid-game with Torrent mounted, and roughly level 60 so fights are manageable. Once set, equip a ranged option and high poise armor. Make sure to stock 20+ flasks and status cures. Use the site of grace closest to the fingerprint area and follow the main path into the ruins, don't detour. Proceed until you reach the landmark chest or guarded chamber. If you can, clear nearby mobs first. That reduces risk and saves flasks for the key encounter. Once done, move deliberately through the guarded hallway and spot traps. Use a torch or ranged trigger to clear them safely. Next, engage the mini-boss or elite knight protecting the chamber, bait their stagger window and punish with heavy hits or outrange with spells. After the encounter, approach the chest or fallen corpse and interact to claim the item labeled as fingerprint armor. Make sure to loot immediately. Sometimes enemies respawn and will contest the pickup, so grab it and back. You finish by opening inventory and equipping the fingerprint armor. Verify the strength, dex, and vigor requirements so it actually benefits your build. Test your equip load and poise in combat against a standard enemy. If you're overweight, swap rings or talismans to meet the threshold. If the item didn't appear, go back immediately. Retrace the path, inspect the chest and corpse locations carefully, and reload the area by resting at the site of grace. This often resolves spawn glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.